because why not? And we will do a study break for 5 minutes after 25 minutes. 25 minutes में मुझे ये लेक्चर अपना प्रिपेयर करना है, राइट? सो स्टडी ब्रेक आफ्टर. Let's go together. I guess that would be okay. Here or here, whatever. So what I have studied is central nervous system at cellular and molecular level. Okay, in this lecture we will study cellular system at nervous system at cellular and molecular level, and we will study about which cells are present, how they interact, how they communicate, how membrane and lipids are responsible for brain functions, right? There are two parts. Nervous system is divided into two parts: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system is consist of brain and spinal cord, and which is responsible for thinking, memory and decision making, right? Peripheral nervous system is everything except central nervous system is peripheral nervous system. And yeah, what I have learned. Peripheral nervous system is responsible for connecting body to brain, and input is sensory input. Like if we touch anything, the input would be sensory, and motor output. If we touch the fire and we just pull our hand back, so it's a peripheral activity, right? So yeah, that is something we have learned so far. So nervous system is not just neurons, it's a complex network of different cell types work together. Yeah, obviously. That is what I already knew. Nervous system is not just neurons, it's a complex network of different cell types work together. Cells of nervous system. Which kind of cells nervous system have? Neuroglia and neurons. Neuroglia is a glial cells that help neurons survive, function and stay healthy. Okay, and neurons send signal, neuroglia supports everything. Okay, cells of nervous system is neuroglia and neurons. Yeah, neuroglia is glial cells. Neuroglia help neurons survive, function and stay healthy, right? Survive, function and stay healthy, support everything, right? And neurons is the one who sends signal. सो न्यूरॉन्स जो है वो करता धरता है और न्यूरोग्लिया जो है वो उसको हेल्प करते हैं, राइट। और नर्वस सिस्टम के मेनली 2 टाइप्स ऑफ सेल्स होते हैं. सो या दैट इज़ व्हाट वी अंडरस्टैंड. देन इट कम्स टू astrocytes, blood brain barrier, microglia, ependymal cells, oligodendrocytes, Schwann cells, satellite cells. So many cells we have. Cells of system is astrocytes, blood brain barrier, microglia, ependymal cells, ependymal cells, oligodendrocytes, satellite cells, so mainly we have these types of cells, right? So nervous system, our nervous system, which is consist of 2 types of thing. What is one is central nervous system and other is peripheral nervous system, right? For the central nervous system we have so many types of cells, in which we will discuss astrocytes, blood brain barrier, microglia, ependymal cells, oligodendrocytes and satellite cells in this lecture. So let's discuss one by one. What are astrocytes? Astrocytes is star shaped cell, support superstar. Okay, न्यूट्रिशनल सपोर्ट देता है, होम्योस्टेसिस करता है, सिग्नल मॉड्यूलेशन करता है, इन्फ्लुएंस न्यूरल कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, ब्लड ब्रेन बैरियर को सपोर्ट करता है. न्यूरॉन्स जो होते हैं वो फ्लेजाइल होते हैं. Astrocytes keep their environment stable. Okay, without astrocyte neurons would malfunction quickly. Okay, ये superstar है, right? So I'm just learning my lecture. I'm just trying to memorize, or I'm someone who have to write everything just to memorize. So yeah, why I am okay. Astrocytes first of all. Cytes. Astrocytes क्या करते हैं? सपोर्ट सुपरस्टार होते हैं और ये स्टार शेप्ड होते हैं, राइट? सपोर्ट सुपरस्टार, स्टार शेप्ड. This is first kind of cells, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 types of cells we have to memorize. First is astrocytes, which are star-shaped cells, and it support everything. What it what does it do? Firstly, nutritional support, glucose and metabolites. Give glucose plus metabolites. Okay. Then second is homeostasis. Iron balance. Iron balance, especially potassium. Okay. Then signal modulation, communication. Then blood-brain barrier support. Keep their environment stable. Malfunction. It keep environment stable, otherwise malfunction. So astrocytes, we have done the do you need this pen? We will say that astrocytes is a superstar, support superstar. It gives homeostasis, ion balance करता है, it supports everything, it support blood brain barrier, signal modulation and nutritional support भी देता है. So yeah, that is everything we have to memorize about astrocytes. Then we will come towards the blood brain barrier. Blood brain barrier, protective barrier between blood and brain tissue. Okay, its structure is tight junction between endothelial cells, no pinocytes. Mama. Okay. In a moment we can play some music or something because I don't know. Signal modulation. Okay. Blood brain barrier, protective barrier between blood and brain. Yeah, structure tight junction between tight junction between endothelial cells take satellite or Schwann cell? Takes cell takes along with dinosaurs. Shrinking. Parasite, astrocytes. Diffusion. What can cross? What can cross? Diffusion, facilitated transport, active transport, lipid soluble molecule, glucose, sodium dependent system. Okay, so basically blood brain barrier जो है वो barrier है between blood and brain. It forms, it's a tight junction between endothelial cells, right? It allows no pinocytosis. No pinocytosis. What is pinocytosis? It's a cellular drinking cell. Takes small amount of liquid or something inside it, and it is dangerous for the brain. So blood brain barrier allow no pinocytosis. इसके सेल्स कौन कौन से होते हैं? एंडोथेलियल होते हैं, पैरासाइट्स होते हैं और एस्ट्रोसाइट्स होते हैं, राइट? And yeah, what can cross from blood-brain barrier? Diffusion, lipid soluble things, facilitated transport like glucose, and active transport like sodium dependent system. They can cross through this junction. What are their functions? Block toxin, prevent uncontrolled signaling, maintain stable brain environment. Okay. Functions. Okay, what is this function? It blocks toxins. Prevent uncontrolled signaling molecule from entering. Maintain stable brain environment. Protect brain from harmful substances, but also make drug delivery difficult. Make drug delivery
Imagine being able to build
difficult.
just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44, a complete AI creation platform.
So, until this, what we have studied. पहले थोड़ी सी गेम खेलते हैं उसके बाद बताऊंगी. Let's see what we have got. The messages. What are you doing? I'm doing study. My papers are near, so I am just trying. And moment. यहाँ से मैंने देखा था कि इसमें कोई गेम्स वेम्स वाला भी सीन होता है कि आप गेम्स भी खेल सकते हो. Is it true? Uh, चोरी नहीं कर पा रही मैं. Another game. So खेलते हैं. This. I don't know what I am doing. What I am doing, I have no idea. Not good game. Let's play something. Yes. Uh, okay. Then this goes with this and this. Ah, yeah. Okay, rocket. This is